In this video, I'm going to show you how to get coupon codes for Zoro. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what I'm going to do is open up a web browser, head on over to Google, and then from here, I'm going to type in coupon codes for Zoro and then hit enter. And now I'm inside Google search results. So off the bat, we got a few large third-party sites offering different coupon codes. We got Coupon Follow with 15% off, Real Time Me Not 20% off, coupons.com, even got paypal.com, which is interesting. I didn't know PayPal offered coupon codes, but there you go. You learn something new every day. All right, so a site I like to go to get coupon codes is either Real Time Me Not or Coupon Follow. So I'm going to click on Coupon Follow. So from here we got 15% off, or we got the exclusive 20% off orders over $150 plus on Zoro select code. One thing about these sites obviously change their coupon codes daily, weekly, monthly, so they might look different and they do expire. If you get a promo code that doesn't work or it's pretty much expired, so just move on to the next one. All right, so if I want to select this exclusive 20% off, I'm going to click on show coupon code. Here it is here, so I want to copy this code and paste this at the checkout section of Zoro.com to enjoy 25 or 20% off my order over $150 plus.